Half a day. I'll begin my vlog here. We arrive at 4 a.m. in the morning. We're going to ride a taxi going to our hotel at Tumon area. Iwan muna namin yung mga baggage namin, then we can shop at Kmart. We're heading now to Kmart to kill time and to shop. Mga 2.1 to 2.3 kilometers away.
Away pa?
No, yung Kmart from our hotel. Malapit na tayo. Pagod. Kmart, finally. Kmart. We're done. Umaga na. Para maging productive yung oras. We're back in our hotel. Finally, after 5th times na pupunta, makakain na rin dito sa Crack Egg. Salmon omelette. Grabe, sarap nito. Morning walk. ABC Stores. Ito yung parang 7-Eleven. Normal day in Guam. Yan, para siyang Good Friday sa Philippines. Wala masyadong kotse, windy, pero mainit din. 11 a.m. Thursday. Famous Tumon Beach. Wow. Yay, Tumon Beach. Maybe sail. Look at the line. Size 3. Cannot be. Maybe size 5 and 6. Tumon area, Guam, May 3, 2024 at 12 noon. Yan, parang Good Friday. And we're out again. Pahinga muna kami for 4 to 5 hours. May 3, 2024, Thursday at 7 p.m. One of the most famous restaurant here in Guam. Oh, that's my shop, Vince Jewelers. My pute's getting ready for Palawan. And one of our favorite restaurants here in Guam, Beach and Shrimp. Hey!
Favorite in Guam.
Yeah, favorite.
Day 2. We're going to rent a car. Then sa mga historical sites ng Guam. Our car here in Guam. Woo! We just rented a practical car para makatipid. So we can stroll around Guam. Sa Guam guys, walang traffic at all. So ewan ko na lang kung makapunta sila ng Philippines kung anong mangyayari sa kanila. Wow. Parang Ross Boulevard. The original Jamaican grill. 30 years.
Ito pala yung jerk chicken and ribs combo. Pero ako ano?
Action.
Okay.
How's it taste?
Okay, so this is the fish chowder. Ano ba lasa nito? It tastes like chowder. Pero hindi, masarap. Para may something like peppery with this. Yeah, it's delicious.
Check how big is the serving. Yan, parang ghost town talaga ang Guam. Oh, walang katao-tao. In front of the Guam Museum, and here's the Catholic Church of Guam and the museum. It's like Intramuros in Manila. Public beach here in Guam. I think Hagata Beach. Don Quixote, Guam. Woo! Yes, bago lang to. Happy day, Guam. Don Quixote. Food court. Don Quixote. So, self-service yung Don Quixote Guam. Oh, di ba? Mezcla. Yeah, let's try it. How's it taste?
Wait.
Perfect, right? Look at mine. Good. Good thing I ordered onion rings. Ang sarap.
This one. This is hot melting blue cheese. Oh my gosh, this big.
Wow. Perfect. The best burger in Guam.
Super.
Day 5, 2024, my birthday. Heading to our ninong for lunch at Hilton Terraces. We're with our ninong and ninang friend. Hello.
Hi.
Wow. Babe. It's my birthday today with our ninong and ninang here at Hilton Hotel. And thank you so much, ninong. Ninang, thank you so much.
Happy birthday goes out to Vince! Happy birthday, Vince! Happy birthday!
We're heading now to north of Guam, Retidian Point road trip. We're here. Retidian scenic view. Look.
This is the northern tip of Guam.
Yeah, northern part of Guam.
Arrive at Retidian National Wildlife Refuge.
North part of Guam, Retidian Beach.
We're
Ganda
back.
dito. We're back. White Beach. Kaya pala parang ghost town doon. Who tourists are here. Look. Wow. Look at the sand. Oh. So beautiful.
Boracay pa din.
Boracay pa din, pero white pa rin. No? Amazing. We're back again here at Two Lovers Point. Admission is only $3. Look at the view.
That's Guam. That's Tumon Bay.
Yeah.
And this is Philippine Sea.
Cruising Guam. And now we're at the Gun Beach. It's the beach bar. The Beach Guam. We're now at DFS Galleria, strolling, checking some boutiques, window shopping only.
Manufacturing defect, yung mga movement niya.
Okay.
That's worldwide up there self-service. Cartier watch niyo should be the classic.
The classic.
Ace and hers. Thank you. Yeah. Birthday dinner. Tomahawk. Birthday dinner.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright. Look guys, kakaibang broccoli. Violet. Broccoli.
Sarap.
Tastes good. Tastes unique. Tomahawk. So tender. So delicious.
Ubos.
Birthday dinner. Look. Try it, try it.
Wait lang. Look. Look at that.
So hot. It's melting. It's so delicious. Thank you.
Complimentary. Happy birthday to you. Love you.
Heading to Fisheye Marine Park for snorkeling. We're here, Fisheye. Marine Sanctuary in Guam. So may mga scuba divers. Look. Kaya lang mahal ang scuba diving dito. Look, they're descending now. Look. There are fish. Let's go. Let's go down. Oh, the ticket, right? Going down. Underwater to mga guys. We're probably 40 to 50 feet underwater. Yeah. Wow. Guys, hindi to aquarium. It's literally underwater. Where? Oh, where? Oh. Guys, $16 per head. So you don't need to pay kung diretso kayo snorkeling. Kasi they have the access, but okay, it's the experience. We didn't know. Oh, look at this triggerfish.
Oh my gosh.
Laki. Scary. Yan o, laki. Yan, mas delikado sa shark yan, guys. Hello, fellow divers. Mga bago siguro yan. Yeah, hello. Yan yung pag-protect nila sa marine life nila. Hindi captivity, but it's actually underwater. Under the sea.
Yan, gusto ko ako naman nakakuha ng picture.
Go, babe. Shark, shark, shark.
Oh my God!
Excuse me. Excuse me. Shark, shark. Hello. Woo. I love pity. Babe, you know what? Babe, you're so pity. We're heading south of Guam. Wow, this is so affordable. Good thing we're exploring Guam. Kasi yung food dito sobrang mura. $8.50 or $13, total of less than $50. Yeah. War in the Pacific. Historical place in Guam. May mga bomb daw sa ilalim pa ng water. So, delix. Guys, actual. May mga parang tour van, UNI tour. So pang 2 tao lang yan, malamang. Wow! Medyo mataas to. Ha ha ha. Maleso Guam. Ikaw malisyoso. Alright. Now it's your turn, babe. Sige na. Tayo makapunta ng Talafopo Falls. It's closed. Well, guys, unfortunately closed yung Talafopo Falls Park. Don't go here on Monday kasi it's closed. Nakalimutan namin i-research yun. Hassle. Pero okay lang sa road trip. Masaya naman. Kawawa yung mga stray dogs. Binigyan namin ng water. Bigyan na lang namin ng mga chips. Babe, damihan mo. Kawawa yung mga stray puppies, so yun problema sa Guam, ang daming stray dogs. Meron lang kami nadaanan. Sobrang ganda. Wow. Accidental discovery. You like it, Sammy? Oh, baby. Yeah, she's friendly. Hindi namin alam yung tawag dito sa beach na to. It's along the highway. Sobrang ganda niya. It's just a small beach. Pero wow. Look at Guam. Meron siyang natural parang breakwater. Hindi maalon sa mga shore. Pero open sea, oh. Galing. Lahat white sand. Accidental discovery. Now we're here at Ipaw Beach. Daming beach. Wanna have fun, girl. Wanna have. Our last beach for today. Matapang Beach. Beach ng asawa ko. Wow, the sun is setting. Na-miss mo to?
Yes, super.
Perfect talaga tong Ichiban. Fuji Ichiban. Wow. Sarap. Fine. This beach is right across our hotel, Grand Plaza Hotel. We're having lunch here at Beach House Grill, Dusit. Napakasarap dito. Highly recommended. Kala ko masarap na yung mezcla. Yung pala ito, mas highly recommended talaga. The best. Lahat talaga dito sa Guam oversize. Oh, tingnan mo naman kung gaano kalaki yung bowl. Sobrang laki. Oh. Smile. Siyempre last night sa restaurant na makalahi namin. Leaving Guam now. Napakaaga ng flight ng PAL. Napaka-hassle. Anyway, we had fun. All right. Bye.
Bye, Guam.
Bye.